Hi, David. I hope my inbox actually had a notification I was away on vacation this week because I see you have a bunch of questions there, but they haven't been answered. So, anyways, yes, I was away on vacation. But let me see if I can answer some of your questions here. First, your Android issue. You know what? I tried to Google that one to see what was going on, but go to your site, your styles.css, and let's go down to about line 802 or so. And let's just change one thing here just to see if it makes a difference. Okay. Buttons 802 right here. Sorry, 799. Change that 55555. Change it to 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Font size. Change it from 0.9 EM to 14 px, just to see if that makes a difference. I mean, this is a standard input field, and it had the color on it, and there's only two things that really, and every browser should support that, because that's just basic HTML and CSS too. It's like nothing. Okay. Right, now the video slider. Okay, here's what happens with video. The video slider that we have right here, this basically, it's a YouTube slider. So if you went into the library, the sliders, video slider right here, you see that it loads in a YouTube video. You can actually take this video here, like this video tag, and load it into a page, but I don't advise you do that. I've got another suggestion for you. Hang on a sec. Okay, open up a page, go to youtube.com, find your video or upload your video. Okay, and what you would do is right here under the share, just grab the embed, click the embed, and then copy the iframe, and then you paste it into a page. Right, so let's say in your whatever page you want it to go into, right, you would find the area you want it to go to, and just like say right here after answer 1, right, you go into code view, and then give yourself a little bit of space. We'll just boom and paste that iframe right in there. Then you can change the width and the height if you want to. That is the best way to put video in. If you're going to try and embed your own video, good luck. Now, when I say good luck, I mean what happens with your own video is you need to have 3 different formats: MP4, OGV, and WebM, because not every browser supports MP4, right? And once you do that, then you can actually just embed the video code, like the video tag, right? But if you do it from a place like YouTube, A, you get extra exposure from YouTube, and B, it's a whole lot easier. It'll load a lot faster. You don't have to have the 3 different formats. And I personally don't support loading local video simply because it is such a high support item. If you want to use video in your site, put it up to YouTube, put it up to Vimeo. There's many other streaming video services now available. You don't have to go through the headache of running your own video, because it is although it shouldn't be too complex, it can be, right? You also have to have the server set up to run local video. You have to have a MIME type set up so that the server understands what type of video is being streamed, and then you just add a whole bunch of headaches to your job. So that's what I suggest for the video. Yeah, you know what, Dave, I was playing around with this for quite a while trying to figure this one out. I'm gonna have to give you a different solution than what I really wanted to. I'm going to send you a style. I'm going to tidy this up actually first, and then I will just create a new page. Okay, let me copy this. I'm going to send you a style in the ticket. I want you to copy and paste it into this page CSS section right here. Basically what it's going to do is, I'm just going to do all this here. It's just going to change the position from fixed to absolute. Okay, and what that means is, when you scroll the page, right, it's not going to be fixed. The reason being is, and I just realized this, with the fixed header up here, when you click the button, answer number 4 goes to the very top of the page. That's the way anchor links work in HTML. So no matter what you do, this thing is always going to go to the very top of the page. Well, guess what? If there is something fixed at the top of the page, it's going to go underneath that fixed element. So the only way to get around that is to actually create the top so that it's positioned absolute and doesn't have that problem. So just for this one page, that's all you need to do. Okay, so we've changed the mobile color to black for your style there. Let me just have a quick look at this, just as again as a verification. Actually, belay that last order. Yeah, right. Sorry, I was watching Star Trek on the weekend. I just found it. It's not just Android. Okay, so we have to go to your library. Sorry, not library. So this is for the mobile text. So go to the site, styles, and mobile, and open up mobile CSS, and scroll on down here. Input color right here. Change this to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I changed it in the wrong spot earlier, so we changed the 555. Change this one here on line 174, and that should solve that problem there. So the other thing was the robots.txt file. That is something that you need to create yourself. We don't include one because who knows what pages are going to be in there, and you know what? Sometimes people don't want them, and if you don't know what it's about, it's not a good thing to have one there because it can cause problems. So we don't include one. But if you want, I'll dig up a link for you and send a link to you on creating your own robots.txt file. So do that, and then when you want the thumbs up to switch over, I'm not going to do anything until you've tested those things out and you're happy with that. So in a nutshell, mobile CSS, this line right here, change to that there, 6 zeros. I'm going to send you this style right here to copy and paste into your FAQ page. And then once you've made a couple of tweaks there, once you've made those tweaks, make sure we got a good thumbs up, and then we can get you switched over to the regular domain.